In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money on Bullx. The first thing you want to do is you want to hover over the bull icon and then scroll down until you see this option that does say Wallet Manager. From here, go ahead and select on the proper exchange. So we're going to go ahead and use Solana like so. And now all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on what wallet you actually want to withdraw funds from. Then you want to go ahead and select on this option that does say withdraw. So go ahead and press on that. And then what we need to do is we actually need to go ahead and add a withdraw wallet. And this is basically the wallet that is going to receive our Solana. So go ahead and just press on add wallet. Make sure that Solana is selected. And from here, go ahead and input the wallet name and address. All right. And once you went ahead and added your wallet, you should get something that looks like this. So go ahead and enter in how much Solana you would actually like to withdraw and select on what wallet you're trying to withdraw from, and go ahead and enter in the amount of Solana that you're trying to actually withdraw, and go ahead and select on what wallet you want to receive the funds on. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and press on this button that does say withdraw. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.